Although you're certainly going to need that umbrella in the next few days. Just to sum up what's going to happen, we're going to have a band of rain and strong winds spreading east across the country in the next 24 hours. That's already with us. And then for the rest of the week and into the weekend, it's a case of bright and breezy with blustery showers. Now, well, last night, of course, we had a widespread frost. There was some ice around. We've still got some fog as well. Temperatures dipped back to -3 degrees or so. But it is beginning to change now. We've got this very active weather system out to the west of us, a couple of fronts, an area of low pressure to go with it. The whole lot's going to be moving eastwards during the next 24 hours, and we're going to keep low pressure with us, really, for the rest of the week. It's going to slip down and more or less hold on in the North Sea right the way through to the beginning of next week, as a matter of fact. And that means to say, of course, it will stay unsettled and often quite wet. It's also going to be fairly chilly. You probably noticed that the winds were coming down from the northwest. I think we'll mostly have a frost-free night tonight, but then we're going to have patches of frost coming along during the next few nights, and certainly quite cold in many places. That frost giving some icy patches with it. But back to today, again we pick up this weather system out to the west, quite active, lots of isobars, so it's bringing in wet and windy weather with it. We still have some well-broken cloud in eastern areas. We still have some patches of fog, but all the while the winds are going to be picking up from the south, so that'll lift that fog, break the low cloud, a little bit of brightness for a while, and it's going to be quite windy, eventually the wind swinging round to the west or the northwest. So perhaps a little bit of brightness in eastern areas just for a time this afternoon. Indeed, most central and eastern parts staying dry, although tending to cloud over again. Wet and windy, though, in the west, and everywhere I think it's going to feel quite cold. During this evening and tonight, that band of wet and windy weather works its way across to eastern parts, allowing clearer conditions to follow to the west. But in that clearer weather, there will be a good scattering of showers too, but not as cold as it was last night. There's the situation for tomorrow, that front moving away from eastern areas. We start off wet and windy in the east of the country. The rain may well hang on in eastern Scotland until quite late, but basically it'll clear, and then it's a case of sunshine and showers. Some of the showers heavy with hail and thunder, some of the showers too wintry, especially over those northern hills. Still the low pressure with us into Friday, so another showery day. Again, some of the showers wintry and heavy. A little bit of a problem, though, on Saturday with low pressure zipping close to the channel, so some more general rain or sleet then, but otherwise it showers right through to the weekend.